After the successful launch of the MSI MAG 275QPX gaming monitor, MSI has once again stepped into the limelight with the introduction of the MSI Optix G274QPX, a high-performance monitor specifically developed for esports enthusiasts. This new addition to the Optix lineup brings a host of impressive specifications and features, making it a compelling choice for competitive gamers. The MSI Optix monitor is readily available for purchase in several countries, including the United States and various European Union regions. Its widespread availability ensures that gamers across these regions can enjoy its cutting-edge technology and immersive gaming experience. Let's look at the specifications. The G274QPX is an impressive 27-inch gaming monitor that combines advanced technology with sleek appearance to deliver an exceptional gaming experience. Featuring a rapid IPS panel, it offers a WQHD resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, ensuring sharp and detailed visuals that bring games to life. One of the standout features of the Optix monitor is its high refresh rate of 240Hz, which can be overclocked to 270Hz. This refresh rate provides incredibly smooth and fluid motion, making fast-paced games feel more responsive and immersive. Gamers can enjoy seamless gameplay without experiencing the lag or motion blur that can hinder performance in intense gaming scenarios. In addition to the high refresh rate, the monitor boasts an ultra-fast 1 millisecond response time, meaning pixels can transition from one color to another rapidly. This fast response time ensures that there is minimal ghosting or trailing, allowing gamers to see crisp and clear images even during fast-moving action sequences. It significantly reduces motion blur, enhancing overall visual clarity and giving gamers a competitive edge. The 1000:1 contrast ratio allows for a clear distinction between dark and light areas of the screen, providing greater depth and detail in images. Whether you're exploring dimly lit environments or enjoying the richness of colorful graphics, the Optix monitor ensures that the visuals pop with clarity and contrast. Additionally, the monitor boasts a brightness level of 300 nits, which ensures that the content displayed on the screen is adequately illuminated, even in well-lit environments. The wide color gamut coverage of the Optix monitor is another highlight of its color performance. With 100% coverage of the sRGB color space and 95% coverage of the DCI-P3 color space, the monitor delivers accurate and true-to-life colors. The monitor comes equipped with DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.0 ports, allowing for easy connectivity to different gaming consoles, PCs, and multimedia devices. Whether you prefer DisplayPort for higher refresh rates or HDMI for broader compatibility, you have multiple options to connect your devices and enjoy a hassle-free setup. Additionally, the monitor features a 3.5mm audio jack, enabling convenient audio connectivity for headphones or external speakers. This allows you to immerse yourself in the gaming experience with high-quality sound without the need for additional adapters or accessories. When it comes to gaming features, the Optix monitor supports AMD FreeSync Premium and is NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. This ensures tear-free and smooth gameplay by synchronizing the monitor's refresh rate with the graphics card's output. Furthermore, the monitor includes a game mode feature that optimizes settings for different game genres. With pre-calibrated display settings tailored to specific game types, you can enhance visibility, contrast, and color accuracy to match the requirements of different games. This allows you to fully immerse yourself in the gaming experience, optimizing visuals to gain a competitive edge. One notable feature is the 5-way OSD navigation joystick, which allows for easy and intuitive control of the monitor's menu settings. To promote eye comfort during long gaming sessions, the Optix monitor incorporates flicker-free technology. This technology eliminates the flickering of the backlight, which can cause eye strain and fatigue. By providing a stable and consistent backlight, the monitor reduces eye discomfort and allows for more comfortable and extended gaming sessions. Another iCare feature of the Optix monitor is the Less Blue Light Pro technology. By reducing blue light emissions, this monitor helps protect your eyes from potential harm and ensures a more comfortable viewing experience, especially during extended gaming sessions or nighttime usage. The MSI Optix G274QPX 27-inch 2K gaming monitor is currently available for purchase on the US Amazon website at a price of $380. This competitive pricing makes it an attractive option for gamers seeking a high-quality gaming monitor without breaking the bank. In addition to its availability on Amazon, the Optix monitor can also be found in other regions through various online retailers. MSI has established a strong distribution network, ensuring that gamers worldwide have access to this monitor. Offline retailers, such as electronic stores and gaming specialty shops, may also carry the Optix monitor, providing customers with the option to experience and purchase the monitor in person. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is useful for you. Have a nice day and good luck.